Hey, it's a lot of scammers out there, especially here on this Cash App, and it's getting close around the holidays or Christmas. So you got a lot of desperate people out there. I'm gonna just show you what they're doing here on Cash App. It's pretty simple. If you know how to do math, you can figure it out. But here go what's going on. Say, for instance, you got your Cash App. You got people out there on Instagram talking about flipping money, and they tell you, hey, if you give them, for instance, $5, they're going to give you $10 back. And what they do, they actually, if you send them the $5, they're going to send you $10 back. So now you say, oh, it's good. I made $5 off that. Hey, if you good, get out of it. Now you done scammed the scammer. But more than likely, once you send them that, once they send you that $10, they're going to ask you, hey, let's flip $20. So what you're going to do, you send them $20 and they send you $40 back. Hey, this is good. So now, in reality, if you look at everything, you done made $25. So you done made $25. So if you get out, you done made $25. Get out of it. Now you done scammed the scammer. But no, this is looking too good. So now they come back and say, hey, send me $50 and I'll send you $75 back. So you give it a try. You send them $50. Next thing you know, boom, you got $75 back. $75 back. Now look at that. You done made $50. So you done made $50. You good. But then you getting greedy. They're gonna come back and say, send me $100 and I'll send you $150 back. So you send them the $100 and they block you. So now look at it. Now the scammer done made $50 off of you. You had them in the beginning, but you didn't stop. So you was ahead $50, but you send that $100 trying to double it up to get $200, and they end up taking $50 from you. So just imagine if they do this to 100 people. So they got $5,000. Even if they do it to 50 people, we'll just say 10 people. They got $500 off 10 people. Now they can buy some shoes there for Christmas or whatever. So be careful when you go on Instagram. You'll see this stuff. Let's go on Instagram. You see people like, let's scroll up and let's do a search here and just type in cash flip. And you'll see people like the cash flipper, and you click on that one. And basically what they saying, basically what I told you, you give them 10, they going to give you 100. These people are being aggressive. But you give them 10, and they give you 100 back. You should stop. You done made $90. But like I said, I gave you a demo earlier, everybody gets greedy. So this is what kind of scams is going on with the Cash App. All right, if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.